Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Snowflake Marketplace step by step clearly. To register with Snowflake Marketplace, begin by visiting the Snowflake website. Ensure you have a valid Snowflake account. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, navigate to the Snowflake interface. Look for the Marketplace tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Marketplace tab to enter the Snowflake Marketplace area. Next, review the available products and services. If you find an item of interest, click on it for more details. Once you've selected a product, locate the Register button. Click on the Register button to start the registration process. You may be prompted to enter additional information about your organization. Fill in all necessary fields accurately. After submitting your information, review the terms and conditions. If you agree to the terms, tick the appropriate checkbox. Complete the registration by clicking on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email once your registration is successful. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message. If the email does not appear in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Once confirmed, return to the Snowflake Marketplace. You can now explore and access the products available to you. Enjoy utilizing the benefits of the Snowflake Marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.